online class for class 5. The topic is social harmony. Next. Yes. First we define social harmony. Social harmony is defined as a process of valuing, expressing and promoting love, trust, admiration, peace, harmony, respect, equality upon other people in any particular community and society, regardless of their nation, origin, weight, material status, ethnicity, color, gender, race, age and occupation, etc. Now we learn about the importance of social harmony. The point 1 is social harmony is built up and boost up the rights and freedom for the people. The social harmony builds up the rights and freedom of the people. They have the rights to their living, rights for food, rights for shelter, and freedom for living, and freedom for shelter, and freedom for doing any occupation. Point 2. Social harmony develops human prosperity and civilization. Yes, social harmony also develops human prosperity and civilization. 3. Social harmony is a crucial element to introduce and maintain peace, freedom and justice in human society. Yes, social harmony is also introduced to maintaining peace in a society, and freedom for living, and freedom for living for everyone, and freedom for doing any work, freedom for their food, freedom for their shelters, and justice in a human society. 4 is the spirit of unity and diversity, the prime key of social harmony. The main thing in social harmony is the unity in a diversity. And 5th point is social harmony makes a person responsible to have respect and sympathy for the poor. Yes, social harmony also make a person responsible to be respect and sympathy for the poor. 6. Social harmony helps them to feel discriminated by the rich. The social harmony also helps them to not feel discriminated by the rich. 7 point. Social harmony is maintaining the equality between rich and poor. The social harmony also maintaining the equality between rich and poor. In 8th point, the social harmony must develop the habit of loving fellow citizens and treating everyone equally to maintain social happiness. Social harmony also help them to treating everyone equally and maintain social things in a society and the habit of loving fellow citizen. Now class 5, write your homework. The question 1 is page number 22, question number 1 in book, and the question number 2, A, what do you mean by social harmony, and B, what are the importance of social harmony in our community and society. I hope you understand what are the social harmony and the importance of social harmony. So you can send your homework in Messenger and Max Connect app. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe. Okay, now class 5. I hope you understand what are the social harmony, the importance of social harmony. You can watch the videos and revise them and do the homework, send on Messenger and Max Connect app. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Day 5, lesson number 1.1, social online class 6. The topic is society and community. We learned about community in our previous class. Now today we are learn about society. Yes, little bit learn about. We are revise them. We are revise them the community. Yeah, what is community? Community is a smaller than society. Community also a group of people. They have different language. They have different culture. They have different occupation. But they have only one thing is common. They have a common interest, common goals, and the most important thing is the unity and cooperation between in a community. Now we are learn about society. Okay, society. What is society? Society is a large number of people living together. Yes, a society, in a society, a large number of people living together, not one and two. They are large number of people living together and a specific geographical area. They are living in a specific geographical area. For example, like Nepalese societies, like Pak society, like Chinese society, like Indian society. Same. They are also share a specific geographical area. Having common culture, share similar costume, tradition, follows rules and laws, religions, and having feeling of association. In a society, they also follow a same rules and laws. Same rules and laws, and they also share similar customs, traditions, and culture. Society may be different interests. But they have one thing is common, that is unity and sense of togetherness. In a community, they have a same interest, they have same goals, they have unity, cooperation, and we feeling. But in society, they have different interests. They maybe have different interests, but they have only one thing. One thing is common, is unity and sense of togetherness. Next. Okay, how do society is based on? We learned that. The first is society based on a geography. I already told them society share a specific geographical area. So a large social group sharing the same social territory, typical subjects to the same political authority. Yes, society is based on a geography. They sharing the same social territory, tropically subject to the same political authority. The second is society based on religion. Society is also based on religion. Religion is an agent of socialization to the society. It provides a model of living. Yes, society also based on religion. The religion is a main agent to socialize the socialization the society. It provides the model of living. How living in a society. They provide them the model of living in a society. It upholds certain ideals and values. It also helps to become moral, disciplined, and socialized citizen of society. Yeah, the religion also generate to become a people in a society. They are moral, they are disciplined, and socialized citizen of the society. Next. Yes, point 3. Society also based on a culture. Society is also based on culture. It is consist of beliefs, behavior, objects, and other characteristics common to the member of a particular group or society. In the consist of culture, their beliefs, they behave, objects, and other characteristics common in the member of a particular group of society. It also based on culture. Fourth point, society based on science and technology. It is the very important thing to society based on. Society based on science and technology. science and technology contributes to society is a creation of new knowledge, development and then utilization of the knowledge to boost and prosperity of human lives and to solve the various issues facing society. Science and technology develop the knowledge of new creation, the knowledge of utilization of knowledge. They are the boost of prosperity of human's life. They have developed the human's life using the science and technology, and they also solve them the various issues the society are facing. They also help them the society facing various issues. They can easily solve them by using science and technology. Next, yes, difference between in a society and community. Now we are learn about the difference between society and community. We learn about the community and we also learn about the society. Now, what are the difference between society and community? The first, the society is a web of social relation. I already told them society is a large group of people. Society is a large group of people, so that the society is a web of social relationship. We are saying the society is a social relation. Society is a web of social relation, and community is a consist of a group of individual. The community is consist of a group of individual. I already told them the community is a group of people. Community is a group of people. They are individual group of people. So now we are saying other words, the community consists of a group of individuals. Now the second point is community sentiments or a sense of we feeling. It is not essential for a society. Yes, I am already told them community have a we feeling. Community have a unity. Community have a cooperation. But in a society, they have unity, they have cooperation, they have living together. But it is not essential for we feeling. The society is not essential for we feeling. They are not follow the we feeling. They only follow unity, cooperation, and sense of togetherness. And the community, second point, there can be no community in the absence of community sentiment. In their community, they have no absence. They have a different language, they have different culture, they have different religion, but they have same interests, we feeling, they have cooperation, they have also unity. But in a society, they have follow different interests, they follow different culture, they follow different language. But in a society, the most important thing is unity and cooperation and sense of togetherness. And point 3 is society is wider than one community in a society. I already told them community is a smaller than society, and society is wider than community. So the third point is community is a smaller than society. These cannot be more than one society in a community. In a community, in a society, in a community is a smaller than society. These cannot be more than one society in a community. Fourth point, common interests and common objectives are not necessary in a society. Yeah, I already told them in a society they have not common interests, not common objectives, but they have one thing is common. They have unity, they have sense of togetherness, cooperation in a society. In a society, it's not necessary for the common interest is there, the common objectives is there. The main thing is common. They have unity, they have cooperation, and they have sense of togetherness. But in a community in a common interests and common objectives and common goals are necessary, and also they have unity, cooperation, we feeling, and living to a sense of togetherness. There is a difference between society and community. Now, class 5, write your homework. Okay, students. How do society form? If how do society form? The society formed by members. Members in a same race, they form family. Okay, and they family form neighbors, and neighbors form neighborhood. Then neighbors form a community. I already told them the group of peoples makes a community. So the different types of community, for example, Guru community, Tharu community, Brahmin community, etc. are in community. And the community makes a society. Because the society is wider than community, and community is smaller than society. Then the different types of society makes state, nation and country. Then the state, nation and country makes the world. Understood? All the students? Thank you. Next, write your homework. The question number 1 is, what is a society? What is this society? And question number 2, write the difference between community and society. And the question number 3 is, how to society based on? I hope class 6 you understand very well the difference between a society, what is society and community also, and how to society based on. Okay, and you can write your homework, you can done your homework and send on Messenger and Max Connect app. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.